Welcome to Math Minders Academy. If this is your first time joining us and you are yet to subscribe, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our tutorial videos. Like, share, and comment your thoughts on this video. Let's go. Guys, today we shall be looking at how to use a quadratic graph to provide solution to a quadratic equation. How to use a quadratic graph to provide solution to another different quadratic equation. Sometimes we'll be given a quadratic function and will be required to sketch the curve, or, as the case may be, produce a table of values and then draw the graph. And then there will be additional question to use our graph already drawn to provide solution to another quadratic equation different from the one whose graph we have drawn. How can we handle this kind of problem? And how can we avoid making mistakes that are very common among students? Let's go. And so today we are giving a quadratic equation or a function graph, and then the function we are given and whose graph we are asked to show is this function. If we are given the fact that f of s is equal to s squared plus 2x, and we are required to draw this graph. And then this is number one. So the question is draw. The question is draw the graph of f of s equals s squared plus 2x, and hence determine the solution of another quadratic equation, x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0, using the graph of f of s. All right. So this is what we want to do in our tutorial video today. So the first thing we do here is to get the table of values for the first function, f of s equals s squared plus 2s. So the table of values is already produced. You can see that on your screen. Now, the next thing we do here is to populate this plane, this SY plane, with this point from our table. So we are going to plot all the points that are showing on our table right now. Okay, so we have done that. So we are going to draw the graph of f of s equals s squared plus 2s. So we've drawn that. And now we are required to use this curve here drawn to find solution to another function. Let's call it probably k of s. But we are going to find solution to it. S squared plus s minus 2 equals 0. What many students usually do in a case like this is to duplicate the graph or draw a new curve. So they will go ahead to draw a new curve, which is this. And this is a wrong approach to this question. So they will draw, so they are on their paper, they are going to have two quadratic graphs drawn, and they will now be looking forward to probably where these two graphs intersect. That's not the right approach. So we are going to explore the right approach now. So what we do here is this. We look at the first function given. We have, let's call the first one, let's call it, we have f of s equals x squared plus 2x. There's no constant here, so we can assign 0 here. The second function can put 0 here, and then we have x squared plus x minus 2, okay? So we are going to subtract now. So here, f of s minus 0 will give us f of s, right? So under subtraction, this part will go, it will become 0. S squared minus s squared is 0. This part is 2s minus s, we have x. So this constant is 0 minus 2, that is 0 minus negative 2 will give us a positive 2. So we have this, okay? So this is a new function which we might decide to call, okay, let's call this function p of x, okay, which is x plus 2. So we'll now go on to find a way to draw this straight line. It's going to be a straight line. It's a linear function. So we are going to draw this straight line. And when we draw it, we obtain this value, right? Now, we are going to look at the point of intersection. You'll see the two places where this line intersects with the curve. Can you see the two places? Beautiful. So we'll go on to find the s values of these 2 points of intersection, and it will serve as the solution to this equation given. So guys, that is the right approach to this kind of problem. Each time you are given a quadratic curve and you are given another different quadratic equation and you are required to use the curve to solve that equation, what you do is just to subtract what is given from the curve. The result you are going to get most often is going to be a linear function, and you will draw it. The point of intersection of the line and the curve will be the solution of the new equation. So that's how far we go today, guys. If you find value in today's video, if you have learned something valuable and you have not subscribed to our educational videos, we urge you to smash the subscribe button right now. Hit the notification bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our educational videos. You'll be among the first to receive videos as we drop them. Like, share, go to the comment section and tell us what is your thought about this video. Do you have another approach you feel is better than this? Why not go to the comment section, share your ideas, and let us learn together. This is Math Minders Academy saying goodbye for now.
In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted with dreams, we're chasing the echoes of silent screams. Caught